Good times. We are here at 6:30 and getting ready to go on our fishing expedition. Yep. The place that we go to usually opens at 7, so we got everything ready. We're just about to head on out. Good deal.
Hello channel, we're going fishing today.
Oh yeah, let's see what we can catch. 7 a.m. local. Good view. Hopefully good fishing.
Flies.
Yep, we got some sand fleas. We got your Doritos. We are all set.
And we got my pole.
That's right, can't forget the pole.
We'll never forget my pole.
It's a good lesson. All right, head on over there. Oh yeah. Now remember, don't let your pole down, because we had a pole go in the water already today. Well, not today, but yesterday. So always keep it in your hand, and if not, we'll show you how to hook it by the docks. So if you want to hook it by the docks, here I'll show you. There's a little trick that they do. They put it right here, between this thing and right here. So they usually do it. There we go, like so. See how it's over there on that edge, and it's over here. So when it pulls, it doesn't go in the water. Go down. Go down, look at your pole. Go to your pole. Huh? You wanna go get your Doritos? Looks like it's raining a little bit. You might wanna go under the bridge. All right. Looks like we're getting another shower.
Yep, again.
Fun. But you know what? There's a reason we got this place. There you are. That'll be quick. Well, it looks like we just started fishing. Just threw out our net right into a storm. So we took shelter underneath our bridge that we always go to. I have one line in the water. We'll see what happens. Did you get a bite? Look a little wet. It's a tad bit. So William, any luck? We just came back from that storm. Now it looks like it's cleared up a little bit. Good stuff. So you got a sand flea on the line. I got a shrimp. We got a good friend over there that has a live bait. We're trying everything. We're trying everything. Yep. All right, go ahead, throw it in. Give it a go. Good shot, madam, good shot. You gotta hold on to that, all right? Got it.
Oh, I got bites.
Yeah. Oh, you got a rock.
No, it was like
Yeah.
it was shaking my, you know.
All right, William, let's see your fish. Go down, reel it up. We'll pick up your pole. Oh, the hook fell. All right, William got a fish. It looks like you caught a. Looks like you caught a pinfish.
Did they hurt?
They got
Are they
little
venomous?
spikies right here. So do you want to?
Are they venomous?
No, these aren't the venomous. The venomous ones are ones with the yellow tail on it.
Yeah, don't touch those.
So what do you want to do with it? Throw it back or use it as bait? If you want to hold it by, I don't know if you want to hold it by that.
I'm saving it. Like you want to save the mussels. No.
Well, at least you didn't go empty-handed. Good job. Let's throw them back.
I'm not good.
So how was your fishing experience?
Good.
Good. You caught one? And you caught in the DMIC?
Two.
You caught two. That's awesome.
One was over there and one was here.
Well, that's good. So it wasn't a total waste? We're gonna take one home. We got one big catfish. All right, madam.